Today's presentation is on the brain-gut connection, and I wanted to start off with a question, which I will do in future presentations because I think it's the best way to go about it. What do you know about the brain-gut connection?
Like your gut sends a signal to your brain
Yeah.
that there's something wrong or that it's...
Carol?
Yeah, you think if you've eaten something wrong, if you've had something really badly fried or greasy, which I stay away from, then you get that pain and the brain is saying, what did you do wrong?
Okay, so first of all, if you have a healthy gut, these are the benefits. So your gut is working well, everything's functioning properly, you're taking care of it, you're going to get clearer thinking, you're going to get more mood stability, you're going to get higher nutrient absorption, more bang for your buck for the food that you're eating, and you're just going to feel better overall. Because the gut is connected to the rest of your body. Alright, so here's the anatomy, just to brush up on what's actually in there. We did a little review when we were dancing earlier. And so what's this?
Stomach?
Yep. And what's this?
Large and small intestine.
Small intestine.
Yeah, large and small intestine. And the food goes into the what first? After the stomach?
Large intestine. No, the small.
Yeah, small intestine, and then it goes into the large intestine.
Into the large.
Like that. And then what happens at the end?
Elimination.
Elimination.
I like that word. That's a fancy word.
It's a very graceful way of putting it.
Right.
Take a little bit closer look.
Here is wonderful.
So we're going to zoom in on this part of the gut right here. We're going to go up to one of these tubes, and we're going to cross-section it, and this is what we'll see. So here's the tube where the food goes through. So Angie, what did you have for breakfast?
Denver omelet burrito.
Denver omelet burrito. So this is where the Denver omelet burrito would go through. And then when it's in here, this nervous tissue, which comes in through the lining of the gut, it goes into the gut itself. You see all these yellow parts right here? It's all receiving information from the stuff that goes through your gut. And remember that nerve that ran from the eye to the end of your elimination that Jack mentioned? Well, he's not that far off, because there's actually a nerve called the vagus nerve which connects your gut. So all this yellow nerve tissue, it goes up this way and connects with the brain. It's called the vagus nerve. All this slide is telling you is that the brain and the gut, it's a two-way street. So if you treat your gut well, your brain will be clearer, better, you'll think better. And if you treat your brain well, you're lowering your stress, breathing, dancing, having a good time, slowing down when you eat, your gut will be happy and your gut will function better. Obviously, it's kind of common sense. People pretty much understand, don't eat bad stuff, your gut will be healthy. Eat good stuff, your gut will be healthy. And this is the list. This is the most important stuff, from most important to least, but this is like the top 6. What is it, 5? Top 5. Number 1 is water. Water just helps stuff move through the gut. You know, fiber is important, but water is also the thing that gets stuff moving through. And then vegetables. Vegetables have water and fiber in them, but they also have healthy colors, which the bacteria in the gut eat. The bacteria actually eat the colors in vegetables.
Oh my gosh.
And they're like, thank you, I'm going to make your body feel really good.
Amen.
Yeah. So eat more vegetables.
Hallelujah.
Rainbow.
Green rainbow.
The rainbow in your body. And then fiber. Fiber comes from not just vegetables, but fruits and whole grains. So in general, just get stuff that's fibrous, which also helps move stuff through. And any stuff that gets caught in the gut, it helps eliminate it. And then this one is important, because refined carbohydrates actually clog your gut up. So all those pastries and too much bread with refined flour in it, if it's whole wheat, if it's whole grain bread, it's not much of a problem. And then the last part, occasional fasting. More and more it's becoming known in mainstream science and just people's minds that every once in a while skip breakfast, eat an early dinner. For example, you only eat between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. And the rest of that time, you're fasting. And this allows the body to clean up the junk.
Drink